ATM, man, there's no money in the bank.
On Trae, what a move!
Ooh-wee.
Oh my goodness! Trae. Oh man, is he on it tonight? The strike for Brogdon tonight, 99-83. Trae, Albert Kispert. Oh boy, what a shot. Looking, over to Pete, back to Trae. The fake, got Kessler on skates and buries it. Hawks have caught a break, an off night for Hero offensively after 40 last night. Around the back and into Moget for the jam. Timeout.
What he's going to do.
Fourth assist for LeBron. Trae gets in the paint and drops it in.
Now, how did Trae move that big guy out of the way? Like, now, these two guys here are playing very well.
63-56. Deep three for Trae. Nothing but net.
What he's going to do.
Fourth assist for LeBron. Trae gets in the paint and drops it in.
Now, how did Trae? Now, these two guys here are playing very well.
63-56. Deep three for Trae. Nothing but net. A thriller on opening night downtown. Trae works it at the top. Finney Smith defending. Great defender. Puts it up, but he can't stop Trae Young.
JT just 1 for 7 from the floor. Bogdanovich up to Young. He's crafty. He's so good at basketball, man.
Trae will flip it up and in.